everybody in YouTube land. Just out doing a quick test with these microphones. I know, another test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be testing the there's a setting for the audio, can't remember what they called it now. It's like the, you know, the GoPro colour, but it's like GoPro audio. So I'm just going to test that. So I'm going to do just a quick run up to the airfield, and then just do a couple of runs around the airfield, just in different modes, because there's like 3 modes in it, as well as it being as it is now, which is off. So this is how it sounds with the GoPro audio off. So I see the weather's gone crap as predicted. It was always going to be the case that as soon as lockdown was unrestricted, well, when they started to release restrictions, it was going to get bloody crap rain and bloody weather. It was always going to be the case. So as you can probably see, my camera's connected to the phone at the moment. That's just to make it easier to change the settings when I come to do it. Yeah, so I've had some news from Hazelmere Motorcycles. I phoned them up last Friday, and they said, oh, we were waiting for you to contact us because we didn't have your contact details. Believe me, they had my contact details, but apparently they tried to contact us through a group on Facebook as well, and I've been checking messages and stuff there and posts and stuff, and there's bugger all. They're just talking shite like. But the upshot is that they posted it out. This was last Friday like, and I've received nothing yet. I had to give them my address and everything, so hopefully they got that right over the phone. Although again, they had my address and everything, but obviously they've mislaid that. They sound like a shower of shite, them lot, like it's Hazelmere Motorcycles, they really do. Yeah. If my local bike shop was like that, I wouldn't use them. I wouldn't use them. You know, but KC Superbikes are spot on, like, great service there. It's a shame that they don't do those APX sticker kits, like. So when I get it, I'll get that fired on the bike, and we'll have a look at that. Yeah, so as I say, just testing audio again. I just want to see, more than anything else, just what these 3 settings do, you know. And it's a pretty blustery day, as you can probably tell, so it should give us an idea of what it actually does. Like, it might be that it only works with the external microphones, I don't know, but not the external microphones, the internal microphones. This guy's a bit impatient, isn't he? I don't know. It has to be said, like, since lockdown, people's driving skills has gone right down the fucking pan, like. It is ridiculous. fucking junction right there, like, fucking idiot. Something came out that junction then, before that wagon got to it. It'd have been fucking deed. But this is what I mean, like, you know, just simple skills like that have just gone right out the window, like. Madness, pure madness. Hey, went out with the dog today at a new location, and there was a slight pop in the distance, and it freaked him out. He's getting worse, I think, like. Like, we've been going to a place called Brough Marsh, which is famous for the Brough Marsh spaceman. I don't know if you've ever seen the picture of the little girl sitting with what appears to be a spaceman hovering behind her, which is a load of bollocks. It's a mother, like. You know, it's obvious she's got a scarf on her head and everything, like, so yeah, madness, like. But yeah, we've been going down to Brough Marsh, which is about, what, 5-6 miles from where I live, so it's actually saving us petrol. But it's been pretty quiet on there, but just at the moment the road along the marsh is closed because they're doing some road works there, and we decided to go to this place called Glass and Moss, which is quite close, but yeah, and as I say, slight pop and he was freaked out. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down the camera, I'm going to change the audio settings, and then I'll get back to you, so see you shortly. Right, we're back, and it's called Audio Protune. That's what I was looking for. So this is Audio Protune Low. So I'm just going to go round the block, as it were, and we'll see how this sounds. So now, apparently, when you use this Protune, it actually produces a separate WAV file, so we'll see how that goes when we come to editing as well. A lot of wind about, so this will certainly be testing this out, I would imagine. But can you hear me? This is the question. Yeah. So like I say, the dog, it's like I say, he seems to be getting worse. It's a real shame, like. And like I say, it wasn't until November that this all started. Poor fella. But yeah, going back to my sticker kit, hopefully it'll land tomorrow, otherwise I'll be on the phone to Hazelmere Motorcycles, because it's just not on, like, you know, for it to, it doesn't take a week to bloody post something, like, or it shouldn't take a week to post something. It has to be said, the guy that I deal with, or have been dealing with, I think it's a guy called Andy. He kind of said that, or kind of implied that they only send their stuff out, you know. Okay, so I don't know what happened there. It lost connection and appeared to switch off the camera, connection to my phone, that is. And then I think it's knocked the camera off. I won't know until I get home and start editing this. But we're in audio Protune medium on this little run here. Hopefully we won't lose connection this time. Hey, mind you, I was slagging Hazelmere motorcycles off. Pardon me. Sounds nice, that exhaust, doesn't it? Horrible oily smell round here. It's probably from the wood yard, like, you know, for the treatments that or whatever they use for treating it. This is about where I lost connection with the phone last time, so I don't know if that's going to happen again or not. Nicely. Like I say, this is Protune audio medium. I'm going a little bit fast just to create as much wind as possible, you know. I just want to see, you know, how much the Protune plays around with it, you know. Lovely round here, isn't it? That's the second one done. First one was obviously a bit shorter because the camera had knocked itself off, but it'll give us an idea of what's going on anyway. Here we go again. So this is Audio Protune High. Gloves on. I think I would if I were you. So it's actually not a bad evening, but there's a bit of wind about, and like I was going to wait till the weekend to do this, but I thought, you know, looking at the way the weather is coming in, it's probably not a good idea. Probably won't get out at all. Like, I thought, come out tonight and do it. A little bit windy, but it'll be fine. It's good. Helps. Oh, bloody birds! Honestly. So I'm kind of looking forward to getting this deck out kit. Like I've said, you know, I phoned them last Friday. It's now Thursday, and I've still not had it through the post. Like. You know, which is a bit, you know, it's pretty poor that, like, you know what I mean? You know, and coupled with the fact that they've never, or they've not looked after me details, you know, the postal address and all that sort of carry on initially. It just seems like, I don't know, shower of shite. I'm looking forward to getting it whacked on. Like, I'll not be doing it myself, like, I'll be getting somebody else to do it, a professional company. If anybody's thinking of getting one of these decal kits from Hazelmere Motorcycles, you know, like, don't get us wrong, they'll have some in stock now, because I think he spent quite a lot of money getting a few in stock. But my experience with them has been pretty fucking awful, to be honest. And yeah, fair enough, there's been this COVID-19 going on and all that sort of carry on, but you do expect a bit of feedback, you know, with regards to where your order's gone, you know what I mean, and what's happening with it and what have you. Like I say, I've heard nothing from them, like. So this is the final test, just to check what this actually does. And then I'll just return it back to normal, I think, for on the way home. Sorry about that, I was distracted. Distracted by a line in the sky. May as well go for a quick look around this place. Oh, lovely, yeah. I'll wait till I get that gannet sorted out and looking nice. Fantastic, like. Anyway, I'll turn this around. And we'll knock this off and put it just back on normal. So there we have it, back to normal. So that's the audio Protune off. Now time to go home and go and have a look at what the crack is. There's a woman walking along here who's going to be thinking, what is this guy up to, like? This is the fourth time he's been past me. Or third time? Fourth time? Yeah, I can't remember. So yeah. Like I said, still trying to get that elusive, perfect audio. I'm quite happy with picture quality on both my cameras, like, you know, using these filters and stuff. It does allow you to get some quite nice footage, like. As long as you select the right filter for the occasion. Although, to be quite honest, you know, if you use automatic as well, you know, it works well. Something like 60 frames per second, and, you know, just on auto, still makes nice footage. Although personally, until I get another computer, you know, the file sizes and stuff are just, you know, massive, like, and you need something that's a bit faster just to get them uploaded onto the computer and then, you know, and then processed. Mind you, I haven't said that, like, you know, I still upload me videos in 1080 even though I'm filming in 2.7K, and I'm not 100% sure how to upload them at 2.7K. I'll have to look into it, you know, as YouTube just tends to make it, you know, 1080 like, so yeah, it's all nonsense really, like. A lot of impatient people about tonight. They're all buffeting here. Until we get past this and then go for it. I'll do. So, I'm sure this has been incredibly boring for you all, doing tests again, but anyway, I'll say my goodbyes now. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy the videos, click the like button, and if you're the sort of person that keeps testing your audio, click the dislike button. In either case, if you like the channel, click the subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated, because I think I've only got about 27 subscribers or something at the moment. You know, pretty poor really. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Ride safely.